Meaning of feudalism.
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 Feudalism. Feudalism refers to a socio-economic system that dominated medieval Europe. It was characterized by a hierarchical structure where the king bestowed land to his lords in exchange for loyalty and military service. The lords then granted portions of their land to vassals who swore fealty and provided military support. In this system, the peasantry worked the land in exchange for protection from their lords. The result of feudalism was a highly stratified society with limited social mobility, a rigid class system, and a focus on military strength and loyalty to the ruler.